Are you looking for extra means to earn additional income, but you're feeling short on skills? Worry no more, because today we're featuring easy money-making strategies that you can start without any special skill required. From side hustles that can earn you extra cash, to others that can potentially turn into full income streams. And then there are side hustles that have helped many people break free from their 9-to-5 grind. We've got the latest scoop on easy ways to earn extra money that literally anyone can do. Here are 9 side hustle options that won't require any special skill. We hope you'll find the perfect one that's fit for you so you can start earning today. Number 1. Answer online surveys. Here is a sweat-free side hustle that allows you to work from the comfort of your own home. With paid online surveys, you can share your opinions and earn some extra cash by simply using your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Paid survey sites work by sending market research surveys to their registered users. The first step that you should take is to register and complete your profile. Survey sites will then match you with surveys that are relevant to your interests and demographics. Upon completion of each survey, you will be compensated for your time and opinions. With online surveys, you can create your own schedule and take surveys whenever it fits into your day. Plus, you can get paid quickly through PayPal or with free gift cards. While you won't get rich taking surveys, it's a simple way to earn some extra cash in your own free time. Check out some of our favorite survey sites that pay up to $10 or more per hour. One Opinion, Survey Junkie, Survey Savvy, Opinion Outpost, Swagbucks, and Pinecone Research. Give them a try and see what you think. Number 2. Sell stuff on eBay and Craigslist. Another simple way to make side hustle money is by selling items you already own. Clean out your closet and see if you have any clothes that still look good as new because you rarely wear them. Or if you have furniture or appliances that you don't use anymore but look as good as the day you bought them, you can list these items for sale on popular sites like eBay or Craigslist. Selling your things could just be the beginning. Once you've made a little bit of money from this technique, why not start getting more creative? You can try browsing platforms like Craigslist for undervalued items that you can purchase. Then what you do is fix them up and then sell them for a higher price. Don't forget to factor in the cost of packaging and shipping when determining your overhead costs to ensure that you're actually making a profit. You can even explore local tag sales and yard sales for hidden treasures. With a little bit of effort and some smart shopping, you can turn this side hustle into a thriving business. Who knows? This might be the answer you've been waiting for to get out of your 9-to-5 job. And you can start today without any special skill required. Number 3. Dog walking. Are you a dog lover who's looking to earn some extra cash in your spare time, but you don't know anyone who might need your dog sitting services? Don't worry, because today you can easily connect with clients looking for dog sitters or dog walkers using the apps Rover and Wag. Check out Rover, a dog sitting app that allows you to connect with people who need help taking care of their furry friends. There's also Wag, that's specifically built for dog walking. With these apps, you can easily offer your services and earn money while spending time with these cute creatures that you love. On average, dog sitters and walkers can earn up to $500 a month. So why not give it a shot and start earning side hustle money? Number 4. Ride sharing. If you love to drive, another popular side hustle that you must try is ride sharing. With ride sharing, you have the freedom to earn whenever you want. Whether it's during peak hours or in the middle of the night, this is one of the few side hustles that are truly flexible. If you're interested in becoming a rideshare driver, you have several options to choose from. Uber and Lyft are the 2 biggest players in the game, each offering its own set of benefits and incentives. Also, check out the Rideshare Guy, a trusted resource for rideshare drivers. With the potential to earn up to $1,000 a month, ride sharing is a great way to boost your income and take control of your finances. Number 5. Deliver food or groceries. If driving strangers in your car is not your thing, how about delivering food or groceries? While there are some drawbacks to consider, such as limited operating hours and potentially lower earnings compared to traditional ride sharing, delivering food or groceries is still a worthwhile opportunity to earn extra money. To get started, explore delivery platforms such as Instacart, Uber Eats, and Doordash. Instacart allows you to deliver groceries and do the shopping for others, while Uber Eats offers one of the largest selections of food delivery options. Currently, Doordash is expanding rapidly in many cities and is known for its speed and efficiency, making it a popular choice among delivery drivers. With an earning potential of up to $600 a month, this delivery side hustle is another great way to make extra money on your own terms and in your free time. If you liked this video so far, why not consider pressing that like button and subscribing to our channel? And don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on the latest money-making hacks. Let's continue with our list. Number 6. Help people move. If you love helping others move into their new homes, whether you have the strength or the vehicle, or both, you can turn that into an exciting side hustle. There's a growing demand for movers all across the country, as people look for help when relocating their homes or getting their new furniture. There's no denying that this side hustle has indeed serious earning potential. Here's how to get started on your moving adventure. Install Dolly and start getting clients. Dolly is an app that connects people in need of movers with those who have the muscle and transportation to get the job done. Imagine earning up to $500 every month just by lending a helping hand to others or using your delivery vehicle. And you can do this in your free time. That sounds like a win-win situation, right? Number 7. Rent your space. Do you know that you have potential cash just lying around in the form of your unused space? Yes, that's right. Today you can rent not just your apartment or condo through Airbnb, but basically any free space that you're not using. Unlock the potential of your unused space and turn it into a source of passive income. With Neighbor, you can rent out your garage, attic, storage unit, shed, extra bedrooms, and many more. There are a lot of individuals seeking extra space. You can be part of it and make money on the side. All it takes is a few simple steps to start earning. First, create a free account on Neighbor. Then, list all your available spaces and features, set your rental price, and wait for renters to connect with you. Approve their request, schedule move-in times, and voila! You can start earning money. Whether you have a spare room, garage, or just some unused outdoor space, you can make money out of them. You'll be surprised at the amount you can earn just by renting out your extra space. On average, a typical host earns up to $600 a month by renting out a garage. Plus, with Neighbor's guarantee for both renters and hosts, you can have peace of mind knowing your space and money are protected. Sign up for an account today and start making the most of your unused space. Number 8. Complete tasks on Gig Walk or Easy Shift. Get paid by completing small, everyday tasks in your neighborhood through Gig Walk and Easy Shift. These innovative apps connect you with community members who are in need of help with simple tasks such as taking photos of local stores or even conducting a survey. Whether you live in an urban or suburban area, these apps provide a unique opportunity to earn some extra income right from your smartphone. Why don't you try downloading Gig Walk or Easy Shift today so you can start making some extra cash while contributing to your community? We'd love to hear about your experience with these two apps. You can come back and tell us about it in the comments down below. Finally, we've come to the last side hustle. Number 9. Work some odd gigs. If none of the previous side hustles suited your taste, or if you don't have any idea what it is that you really want to do, so you can earn extra money, this last one might be your solution. And that is by exploring gigs on Craigslist. This is quite similar to our number 8 side hustle. In this platform, you can view a wide range of opportunities for people looking to make money by doing one-off events or gigs in your local community, whether that's by helping at a fair, working at an event, or performing a random task. To get started, simply create an account on Craigslist and start browsing the gigs section. You'll find a variety of listings posted by individuals and businesses looking for help with their projects. By responding to these requests and demonstrating your availability, you could start earning money right away. While the work may not be consistent, you can still earn a significant amount by doing multiple gigs in a month. In fact, many people earn up to $300 per month just by responding to Craigslist gigs. Why don't you give it a try and see what opportunities are available in your area? And that rounds out our list of the 9 side hustles that you can start with no skills. Which side hustle are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy money-making tips. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.